This means what appears to me is true for me. It means what appears to me is true for me, and what appears to you is true for you. Full stop. They believe in homo mensura. Homo mensura, that is, man is the measure of everything. Man is the measure of everything. Plato was against this thought. Plato was against this thought, like Socrates. Plato was against this thought, like Socrates. Because truth cannot be subjective. Because truth cannot be subjective. Socrates accepted knowledge through concepts. Socrates accepted knowledge through concepts, while Plato changed it to knowledge of ideas. Knowledge of ideas. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हेडिंग. बैकग्राउंड समझ में आ गया सबको? है ना? किसी को कोई डाउट? सोफिस्ट क्या बोले हैं इसमें, कोई डाउट तो नहीं है? होमो मेंसुरा मीन्स man is the measure of everything. This means whatever I believe is true. तो अगर मैं भी जो कह रही हूँ सच है, तुम भी कह रहे हो सच है, तो सच क्या है? मैंने कहा व्हाइट, तुमने कहा ब्लैक. सोफिस्ट के अनुसार, अकॉर्डिंग टू सोफिस्ट, my truth is white, your truth is black. But then morality becomes subjective. Then killing is right for some people. If, stealing is also right for some people. Then will there be any morality in the society? There will be no morality in the society.